dream pa. Ne want to dream pa. Na ene de wasan so de asem bia beto dwa che akwa no. Na enim se bia wa Jimmy kakra obetwe ne ho asinchen. Mempese nka meye hash yo. Che se MPP from painful bi no omo ye enemies in. Omo say party no. MPP from painful bi ne Kwabena Agyapong. Any Bryan Acheampong. Epese omo say MPP party na esi ho no. Enipa de enkasa unyini drum pempenso bi a okasaye oyoye okasaye mu ene kwanya ofaso ye onema wo hyase etoto ne yie na so sampanfo mienu we dia yesa omunyini ko omo achi sampanfo mienu ameka omo asemi ene Kwabena Agyapong ne Bryan Acheampong ayese ye nyini ko yanim no omo de omo nyini ko omo achi said ya mahama ede Ghana ye gi anahye reverse no. That is the same method omo ye. Se mo kaya sa papa Bryan Acheampong we ena enche bia o release video no de na o person comment e ho ase ne se ye wura je kofo time ba omia senye nipa na ye ntentem na ye ko hu the reality behind the say actually eye wo Bryan Acheampong na nam wani a emu ade enti ena na je kofo e ka wanim se wo party me ye party godfather of the party now person me presidential candidate ya adenti a omo me amane afena Bryan Acheampong ne nkwase afo akɔhye dan mu akoye editing say je kofo say na the MPP party take decision a omo ne amane ene ebete woto Bryan Acheampong you let me say the things clear min kese wa bo obi krono umo obi akrono but woni Kwabena Agyapong emfaso dia amanya free MPP party no senkedru campaign tampo ena nka mo ka kire Ghana fo ne MPP fo se emma obi a spend 1 pin na monko amo be sponsor kura na enka monye hwe Brian ka wo say your system of payment eye system aban Ghana aban na use no enipa o ma sa contract na na me no so ntia why yes sikani to the highest level no eye wura je kufo na de ma na woni hwe o ye wura je kufo na ma wa sotwe se kona ko build system we na fabra is since then 2008 2000 from 2000 up to now it's your system that is being used to do all government payment across the country entiwo sikasen na ubeyi diama MPP a ebe somobo asene di MPP abanya ye diama mu ye kontompofo mu ye greedy people mo bottom na ye mode mo bottom dia mo benya na ye mode mo pese mo nsai party no enam se greediness aba mumu ene dia mo anya nti no se enya mo a enya hwe na so ye ntrama mo nsai party you know why party we ne ba ban mo a ahiafo ne esikafo matumi tra school dan ba akom party we ene tumi ma ohiani ba ai obi a ye wo ne tan no number 2 asare adamsu jene brekum etimi kopiem ewo akab ewo brekum ko school eye party we ne timi ma sabio obi a oni bie ne batimi kopie university ko school man ye eye party we ne timi ma hiafo nkwada ma etimi be ye nurses eye party we ne timi ma nkrofo omo ne hwe omo timi be ye teacher fo enya ba bi di omo hu eye den ehye eye party we ne timi ma school kro ya akono so wo sikawo uni sikawo utumi ko school timi so di gina ebe ye nipa bi e wo abrabom. And we will never sit there for you guys to destroy the party because of your personal interest. Brian, why ye amana ye ya? Uni Kwabena Agyapong na sa ye say no more mo takra se ene tubom ye kaya ye moa. You are one group of people. Your envy and your greediness in you will not allow you to wish good for this party. Most uncle for me anyway. I was saying every election. I was saying Kamuankasa, Muntu Muhunsiona Monkase, we are going to what? We are going to sponsor for the whole party's election. Adentia. Ninyan say, Emfaswa Mumanyan or party wem no. MPP ni pia ni MPP moa. Wenya samfaswa no bi. Bryan, Temi yepa, uyo bia ye boo. Kwabena Agyapong, uyo bia ye boo. But the more yen and neno. And kayakwa kwaya me say, you have lost your senses. Yes, we are simu and sako then saba. And say a corner and saba. And taya munya said that be a monka, dear momo de ko yen and kwana moka, na dear bam honon swear. Dear bam honon swear. Dr. Bawumia, Bra Sabio 2016 to 2024 na mo ye ministers no. Money Ghana for be ya kunta. Money MPP for be ya kunta sikadodo amonsa so mu. This is my question. Bryan now you minister of Agric. Bryan obey, I think say you also came to be a minister of deputy minister of something like that. Sabre no mono. Money Ghana for be ya kunta sikadodo amonsa so. Bryan obekai. Kwabena Agyapong out to papa. MPP abandon the contract rema ono. Oba be catch the Ghana for ni MPP for sikadodo a wonsa somda. Mo ya de ketua bi. E de mamo party a. Na eno aba be ye nyoma mo na ma mo de to. Ene NDC fu edi mo ho agore sere mo se mo ye moa mo jimi. Mo ni mo nyansa. Nyame na make o. NDC for the mo atem on all the social media platforms say and the MPP from painful way there muni mu nyansa akura jimi pa nie mu yi mu yafunu mu nsono egu abonten mu titi mo hona mo sansere na mo ni age se mo ni age mama NDC eye nkwasiafo party awudifo ne ajimifo ne molemolefo ene NDC ni timi hwe MPP ni anim na osere. And I went there na moye muhui. Amuni munyansa. Efiasem so the babonten. Moye mane kwasiampanyi ni Kevin Taylor Jimmy. Ko hwini on se Kevin Taylor. Etimi the MPP amanyokuo na eda ho nyina abesi. Eka kire MPP for se MPP for ye Jimmy for. Mutimi ma Kevin Taylor Jimmy wo etimi tena ne TV so Eka se MPP from painful nyina ye Jimmy for. And I'm greedy and your stupidity. I building in you you want to destroy the party. You can say na you know and say na amen. You know and say na amen. And now betre sponsor. And the Bryan Acheampong say then on not sponsor Dr. Bawumia campaign. NTA nya no man nye di ope. Now when did the MPP party candidature tends to be monetized? That ben yesika. Now your story be your Bible. I think that is the story that Kwabena Agyapong and Bryan Acheampong needs to be. I will say yen kasa story and trouble. Bible mo. Now you will prisoner be or how ni munyansa pa. Now ewo Egypt we ya ka ho asemi. Na wonye this year untumi nkasa wo badwam unimu nyansa akora na untumi nka nkyere obia unim de sie ohina wonimu nyansa hu se ye wo prisoner wa wonim nipa akora American story obetima hwe na comment section ho e Bible story pa ohina wonimu nyansa hu se prisoner we onimu nyansa na me nkonkoti na adwene nko amfa nya de ma ne yiye na mbom no memma na ware meba na waba ba ye de hye na odine nyansa ne nim de ayeden aboa me ama me man akona nim Egypt na asem wo se Bible mo asem wa woni otumtwe no comment section Bible nsem no eye futuo de ma ya brabo Bible mu nsem no ye pagya ye kan e de fa adwene to etim de ye bibi enti mo sansem kwase akeka e na ba womi ani sika e na ba womi ada ben na oba ye e na ye ti party na wo he bra ye wo hene ye wo akwada wo hene onimu nyansa oba be di o hene na pan kwase toto na oti ho ye wo akwada onimu nyansa ye wo akwada onimu nyansa a oba be di o hene no na kwase ampanyini tonto na oti ho ye wo no to ne nan so ena wiase no ensa we ni nyina anye pe opia ene ne destiny obi biara ene ene ne destiny enti se ba omi aye formidable man wealthy, trusted, competent, intelligent, intellectual na ono na betimi agi tumi ne dia ba mpp fo ye fie ama ya smell power na dia develop your manya. We don't care how long you have been in the party. That is your personal shit. Bumblewood, crowd. Wagwa. Tiemiyepa. Tiemiyepa. Se wo se wo na wo chichiri party. Wo na wo sponsor party. Wo na mo yeti party na wo timobia. What I want to tell you ne say, ye wo akro ba be di hene no. Na panyini kwase toto tifie. We are say ba ye opia ene de adoma chede a Nyankopon hata soro ye den e de che no. Enti betu ba say wo ye business wealthy, business mind absolutely. Who you be able to make a casikabo money develop in billions. That is what God gave you. And I will be so why Nyankopon de adoma chede che na ye friend leadership quality ayento free sabio abontene ye de wo yesua. And this one out party no. When out the party no. When I'm sponsor a party no. Now your quality does not reach to obi oniska in terms of leadership quality. Man, got the fuck up there. Now I want America for bro. Get the fuck out there and let's think. Money is not everything. Enye sika na ye bibia. Sika enye bibia. Enye sika money cannot give you sika ntimi maw tie wo wiase nyina. You can have money but you will lack foresight in terms of leadership. In fact, se mo hwe monsema amoka ya enam se money leadership quality ntino mu bie manum a nsema amoka bia no eye nsema kire se munnim kwan a yefa so ye ni nipa da sani etna. Not as a boss, as a human. More. Dear Muye, more attitude we are more the barbonting. It actually showcases a kind of a character beer. I quite said there. Yes, a massa character na woman. And to make a phone phone a munimuka. Nipo can phone the chair na yonko na damfo because of Sibio or Wusikasa na yonko no. Sani pani and nipa be a friend saying. Your friend nipa bi okafo a ono de onima ni sika. It will say you guys are people who don't value people for what they know. You don't value people for their intelligence. More you people don't believe we say obi a on sika ti say their moti sika na wa adwene. Enye sa nka you will not be this way to talk to this man. This gentleman since when he started all this campaign. After Nanado's era, in some phone kwasiasemo papa we yatene wona sumu nyina he will always come out and talk as a gentleman and display your ignorance to you guys. But still, you people don't understand. But you know, I want to really appreciate Papa your friend Papa Kwabena Agyapong. Kwabena Agyapong, I really appreciate his appearance. Contesting is not a sign of being an enemy. But in some bano, it should say you are enemy to Dr. Bawumia. In some na mokekano, enemy is different from contesting. It is a hatred speech. It goes against the human society. It goes against even relation between people. Monsono, Moni Dr. Bawumia, Adinkomo, Adidia bom, Manantia bom, Mayaniama bom. You know yourself very well. Now, position Kakrabi or Pentino, you are now there spitting nonsense against such a gentleman. Let me tell you something. MPP Abanyokono, we are known for how intellectual that we are. Jekufo is the gentle giant, the gentle giant. You run another danko Kufuado. Or say, hey, me the min semi nyina ma Nyankopon, monye de mo pebia. Nyankopon be di ma asema mama. You run Dr. Bawumia or say, I have no time to spend on stupidity. You are not in the line with our ideology. Mese mon transfer mon spend power. Mon use power to do something important in your life. Mon use power now, Dr. Kwabena Agyapong, family what you are capable of. Now mon transform mo ankasa mo life through the power that Dr. Bawumia will bring. Tabia may come see Obama. Who was Obama? But because they know that he's capable to bring power back, he was chosen to lead the party that won the elections in America. But Dr. Bawumia there, he has already been a frontliner of your party, where Demo party named for 18 good years, 16 good years. I came before you. Now, Bryan, one some now I can't know. Bryan, Kwabena Agyapong say, you have to hear something in your brain. Me are na ye wura. Or say chairman some bones so about thing. I bet Kenyans are sempa. Hopefully say you take it and you make it serious. You make use of it. Fire Juma, I never phone ba. Gab media amateur pa. Me Gab media mwakwaba pa. Thomas Farm wonso me mwakwaba pa. Mami ama mechia ye pa Emma wo akwaba. Abusi amfamo like video na mo nhye mame na yenko yanim. Gary Hobston mechia pa. Yeah, I see Rax, long time subscriber watching and listening from Maryland, US. Keep up the great job. Thank you, Miriam. You're welcome. Actor Act Star James Michiao Koku Boateng also Michiao Pa. Now, Bryan, and Sembia Bryan Acheampong Babekan Munti Uminti Asem when I response wa Yadia Manu Munti.
Yes, Prime Minister, in 2023, he didn't bring a penny into Eastern region. I paid every single penny for him to become flag bearer of this party. He didn't pay a penny. All the constituency executive, everybody collected how much? No, the Prime Minister 2023, the dollar, how much did you collect? Everybody collected $1,500. Super delegates. Yes. Super delegates. Yesterday I was in Kumasi at the O2.
Okay, so Uncle for Mukarata. Now the question that I have to Bryan Acheampong is say, Bryan, the way you are, the way your character is. Why did you do that? A agreement to be an amako. A kwambi swamo fast so abunya says kana na dedicated for that. Ana na ye wan kasa upe and our dear Sir Juman. Bryan, yenyam kura. To finance a presidential candidate's election, no. It means a lot. It means, he said, you have concord on something. If not, nobody will share money of his sweat just like that. Bryan Acheampong eba ne sen ena oji to ho so say at the eastern region kwawu beso kwawu besos ye can say ai eba ne sen na wo accept ye oji to ho so wo accept yourself say you as a Bryan Acheampong you want to take care of the delegates in Eastern region. Dear Nessie, what agreement did you go through with Bryan, with Dr. Bawumia? That is what we want to hear. MPP is not NDC. You cannot come here and tell us half of the story. Now, we say Aye, me maame amasi kwawu dongote. Hey, me see diaspora for man on beye obi o. So de ho aba. Ba omiano ye nkan no. Ba omiano o pe wo nkwa, na o pese wo ntena ase nche wa bra bomu a. Ba omianya obi a wo ma politics system so a wo kan no. O kan na wa ye ho pa. O kan na man be trouble. E me man so be di watam. Progress so ye be show down. Ama wankasa wati bibi. Mimi awele sunkofi mwakwa wapa. Bryan Acheampong should not just limit himself to tell us, say, he financed Dr. Bawumia's campaign. Bryan Acheampong should also expand his expression not to tell us the only thing another than Kufuor na baimu. I na menusuntia or accept to take care of the delegates in the Eastern region. Na one nkran na edi nkoma na one nkran na edi nkobo me nom late biem o me nom merk biem maja merk nom me di fufuo nom kwan we nam edi me titu sumye so anajo yeni business impa. We know what governance is about. We know that the founder are buying making available for these purposes. And today na okay. Why? Go angasa do bottom musika. Who do bottom musika $1,500 at the delegates for what reason? A honor na yemen, a honor na menti asieno. Reason tia ukoche says can come and tell us that. Didn't your coach says can? That is what we want to know. Now, Sagana 4 boys, no, and the binum in him they are left and right. Now, Ubia being an occasion was Sikana ya budget and so dear, and yet the country is in a doom. Yahunaman. Which they say the future of the country is really at risk. It's just a question. Penny be obeying Sika be able to have a digala manso. And just say Jimmy be only munyansa. Asabio Sikana bedin in some. Amamo and yes Sika semo because be digana manso. And yet wo bottom Sika and on the bay your money ye. Na your taxes na obey from my manohono and on the bay your money ye. In terms of governance and leadership there, and kami wo Sika kura pono. It has no room. Comfort books in Memoakwaba. Mama said Dr. Omia has been chosen already by Ghanaians, so no amount of propaganda can bring him down. I fatu team. Governance and leadership, no. It has nothing to do with Miwosika. We groom poor men. Yet to me the eche and crofo here for ma eshe daimu here for more money munyansa and here for more adwene mu abie here for mark or kandie enyansa wo mu team since their birth yet me chi omo she daimu grumu omo emo mo be ye kandifo because it's not about sika wo, it is about nyansa ni nimde ne hyehyeye ne ntotoye papa ewo wadwene ma obetum de aye bibi ama man ma ho ato and then say tramo kasa no wa low ne voice kakra who say yes can edit your mind so edinim de ni nyansa ene di oman so Bryan Acheampong say also no sponsor aye miwia Kwabena Agyapong say ni message ode ma won etie
we will listen, we will learn, and we will act with you, not just for you. Let this be the moment that we turn pain into purpose, history into healing. This moment requires us to go back to our roots, our noble roots, where politics was a noble calling, not a marketplace to trade parochial interests.
anti Kwabena Agyapong asem o ka kire no ose MPP amanyoko na da ho we no mo fando MPP no enye mo ana no da mo ba mo beji sika di a ma ye mo se kuro no ye mo de no ose the MPP party has never been a trade center enye trade community enye ba bia ye showcase sika ye wo enye ba bia ye di sika net edge to me enye ba bia ye de a human value, the internal of a man, and I didn't to me a shenansa. And Timo Moba Nano na Mabe from fan party, no dear Yam who say trem. Ne nuntia ne, Mosimona muye de capono. Papa se Mom Peba Bintra. Mom Peba Bintra na Munyama Yansa phone co. Na Yadinyan sanning him dear, and Yadibu mine. The all canon, and some more can as it in an. And I'm away, men are making Tessica way, men are medicica way by it, men are media Messu being cedar, men are say, and no, a yadipia, it is not the spirit of what? Of the MPP. The spirit of the MPP is different from what you guys are calling on. More than a trade, Monko World Trade Center or America. Na monko tomo niema monko tomo japade monko sabio the biggest market forest bureau na monko didwa wo ho temi ye pa monko Dubai na monko ye business go to Dubai and showcase the money that you guys has. MPP party was built based on what? Integrity of men and women. MPP party and yet trade fair center. It is not a place that we sell our richness. The muye anyansafo ni mdifo muye hiafo munni bie wo Ghana maimu. Ye omuba na nam ho saa me de omunyansa akɔhye fam kwa. Ena mo personal ne ego greedy appetite bia abamonum. Yento ado.
Our UP tradition, I mean the United Party tradition, was never about money. Not a place where votes were auctioned off to the highest bidder. Our tradition was founded on sound values, virtues, and a large dose of volunteerism.
Chewate, Bryan, when you Kennedy, the UP tradition, United People's tradition, and yet, find the Wosika to do. Why ne betumi ato vote? Why ne obetumi a sponsor? It is a tradition bia. It was based on yen can say a nipa no ni sunsum ni nim de ne nyansa da ne tim. Amanfo it a tu ho acha adwuma na amanfo in the UP traditional. Because we believe in the value of a man, not the quantum of money that the person has. Yanka is a Jacob forum. Adubu ma. They were supposed to come and carry the party away in case of Ayomodia. Kakrabia monya tafrem abumuso. Mosimon kamanun tum. But you're wine done. Kakrabia monya modi abumusunti. Mosi ya kama yenkabi. Tintin yani ya. Kwabena Agyapong say mon kama no ntum na mo pedwa dia monko we trade fair center nkodi dwa wo ho monko we trade center enkwadi dwa wo ho monko we trade center na monko ye butter and bread issue we are thinking about how we can develop a community made up of 32 million people. Until we see kind of where Jimia and Maha. Se usika na wadwene no enye beyond the normal enye beyond the normal me usika I can buy don't come here. And you to love MPP is from the heart, not from the pocket. And yet the obenya. Imami Vivian Kumasu said, Domboche, the former secretary, Domboche, Omra Mefapon, Mumupon a bit magasa party in your modia. Jay Kufon or Mofan the party way. Or Mumum a bit Mabafa party so more they call. Nyamo Mubana Anwada, Yati Tibia Mamu Dimana Bromoso. Na munyi ni paye na modi di dwewe yenso na modi kan kwasi asem na modi yesika ya mamu nya ne sandi modi monse wo yani untie nkai.
That is why the subtle attempt to create a monetary barrier that practically shuts out capable and competent patrons, thereby virtually handing leadership opportunities to only a wealthy few, is truly repugnant. The path ahead for us is to go out and choose leaders who have integrity, who have character, who have empathy, and who have emotional intelligence, worthy of leading a great tradition such as ours. Let us all forge ahead with renewed energy to rebuild, rejuvenate, regenerate our base in unity and with hope. God bless our homeland Ghana and our beloved MPP, Eshi Radu.
Kwabena Agyapong, Mone Kasa. Papa Kwabena Agyapong, Mone Kasa. MPP Manyoko no animudie no enye sika. Yen to me enkase party I build here because we wanted to show the then Jerry Joe Rodens say they are all yen okonyaso no a state for only few, and yen to maintain our own party to become a state a party for the rich man. It will not happen until we delegate. Kwabena Agyapong say Bryan Acheampong kana nuntum Kwabena Agyapong nya ne sheshe na mo sika no mo fanto nchen na uye delegate a koto abama enipa owo suban papa enipa ye ka emotional intelligent enipa otimi control ne temper na ansa na obekasa odwene ho mienu miensa ansa na waka enti nkrofo miensa na ye ka omo asem no hwan na okasa odwene ho ansa na waka hwan na onye emotionally disturbed hwan na kwatran TV so camera si na nima na wa sha ase na oka de ope hwan ya enye nkrofo mienu enti Bryan Acheampong any Kennedy Japan there your end of political career no you are building it by yourself. Because internal campaigns are not the right place to say and to assume it shows say you are weak. Muye weak. Muye weak. Muye weak because you would about me say Oba he is coming to build the party with the youth and make the party strong. The campaign the name for prime minister no anyway you. Mo dear any attacks. and I'm Uska, when I'm a sponsor of campaign, and I'm in a may say ma when I'm here say ma untis and a teddy akawano too. Now see a metro. Why did you sponsor the man? Because you saw something in him. Who will be doing more? And they are the good who know any more and I'm so much sponsor and the party no. Agreement on any call ya and I'm so much usika and the sponsor and the campaign no. Sadiana na yensu nyina yehu ese beto abama. Wonti ase a eye wanka sa ojejereje. Eye wanka sa ojejereje na busia wei ene asema Kennedy Kwabena Agyapong e de abayentie video no nyina na yento aso na yemamuntie die yewura oseche mensem nsuso e de abeto abote yenko.
We will listen, we will learn, and we will act with you, not just for you. Let this be the moment that we turn pain into purpose, history into healing. This moment requires us to go back to our roots, our noble roots, where politics was a noble calling, not a marketplace to trade parochial interests. Our UP tradition, the United Party tradition, was never about money, not a place where votes were auctioned off to the highest bidder. Our tradition was founded on sound values, virtues, and a large dose of volunteerism. That is why the subtle attempt to create a monetary barrier that practically shuts out capable and competent patrons, thereby virtually handing leadership opportunities to only a wealthy few, is truly repugnant. The path ahead for us is to go out and choose leaders who have integrity, who have character, who have empathy, and who have emotional intelligence, worthy of leading a great tradition such as ours. Let us all forge ahead with renewed energy to rebuild, rejuvenate, regenerate our base in unity and with hope. God bless our homeland Ghana and our beloved MPP, Eshi Radu.
Kwabena Agyapong, we took me chair at the mouth. You have earned my respect. You have earned my respect, pa. Medase pa. Kwabena Agyapong, you have shown, say, Nana Adudanko Akufuado. Bra no digana konya. Mama me no leader me akwa papa. I want to say. Na usu di doctor ba omi echi amoye campaign no. You were not a snake under grass. You were rare and you are still rare man. Me to me chair at the mouth. Your speech has conquered my heart. And I appreciate that. I actually appreciate that. Abusia bre continue yanto asono yenko yanim. Oman. Social media for man say, remember MPP say it is one political party and with a lot of members. So please know what you are saying. Stop talking like that. Dear Amaka, Messi Mfa Sika and a deep party anim. Party anim dear no. Said the Kwabena Agyapong kind. Yedinim dear nyansa na ye. Emotional intelligence na dear. And for internal premises, yemfa yen take advantage of that to say Niama Bone Amfa other candidate home. And I'm so actually say, enye MPP party nye dwam say fe na obeton sika we ewo ho. No. MPP party no a party that value the integrity of a man. Now, Yemia Sachi Beneza so said the youth need job. And it's only Kwabena Agyapong with that vision to create job. Sachi Ebenezer, me pacho, Mr. Kennedy said, Adentia, o me be an inside you mano, I will be OPA, or person maybe in Farmer Ghana. Sachi, remember, sir, Ansana, Yewura Kufuor ebedi Ghana konwa so. Ansana Mahama ebedi Ghana konwa. Ansana Mercy ebedi Ghana konwa. Ansana Yewura Nana Addo ebedi Ghana konwa no. Kwame Nkrumah was having about 300 companies here. Na state-owned companies. Entino bra companies in a way. Such Ebenezer. Sa 300 companies are na state-owned no. Ewo hefa eniho ayira ya tonton and function adentia, because there is nowhere in this world that or mining and building companies. And it's a really second Japan intention to come and be the flag bearer. And he said he want to create job. He have to create this job not because he's the president, but he do that before becoming a president. Donald Trump, or creating humans no baba president. Silvio Berlusconi, Italy former president, or creating humans no baba president. And the other, or pegana capital and the sea companies are necessary. At the amani dreamana. Because Miriam Sechi Ebenezer, who nim pepe say, Ghana maimu abainu ma yenhwesu ye. Abanyuma hospital ye public service ye this cry anka say on cry yenhwesu ye. Now say abanyeba bisi company. Munya sansam no ka na people are deceiving you. A man for a deceive mo. Munya to basi pa. Now they enter as an inquiry. Yeah, no, I say like the video and share the video. We might Vivian Kuma so say mon share video no. Mon like video na inquiry and then soon your first time make sure say subscribe. Mama, Ghana so wo na ope a leather papa leather Italian made leather powder yam paboa ubetum di aye car seat ubeye damu konya we di leather papa leather Italian made papa and one Tony May Enterprise. Ewo Makola Market. Alright, yeah. Tony May Enterprise. Eho no benya leather papa Italian made. Now there ye bibia ye de da ye ewo wiasim. Yento aso ne enko yanim na me kanfo Gab Media ewo YouTube nso e de ama. Se hwe na chi akwai na support no boy juma pa Gab Media ewo YouTube esan so ewo TikTok. Mesan so asro se Ras Media we ye mesanso ewo TikTok. Mesra mo ame na mentimi nya 50 followers. Na matumi adarete my life no nso e de akọ TikTok. Na mesanso akamfu kakari TV ewo YouTube di ama. We na chi akwa na support no. Sanso na Facebook SKB TV1 on Facebook. We na chi akwa na support no. Abusia ensema Bryan Acheampong keka ye ya amanema ankoyi. Enti one by a friend now. Mensa bonsunso Eden Sembi Ababetudja. Comfort Boxing say, please, Brian, don't follow what Ken is doing to MPP. You are too gentle for this. I know. I also believe so before. I was saying to Yura, Oche, Osei, Che, Mensa Bonsu. Na ifriwa, yetin sama Napo Efa Kennedy Agyapong Jr. Neho. Yanko, na yanko mesisia.
It's dangerous for our democracy. It's dangerous for our democracy, and it's also dangerous for the survival of the MPP. Because MPP is in foka on Kremofoka on Ena Ekotwabawo. I say, Semunibiaba, Emunibiaba, Inimse, Demusunko. That's how I say. The manual any year. You are discriminating against the person.
Okay, so if you say you are discriminating against the person, what action Sabri Mokamp would you petition the National Council of Elders of your party to step in this regard, or better still, go to the national executives of the party and lodge a complaint so that this kind of tribal, bigotry, politicking would stop? Would you take that action?
The name of Kaseyafina, Yamisi, Massacre Doomcray. the BBC, maybe all of us in the campaign team, no, any or no Kafa candidate, no, and I was saying, yes, in anything. James, at the top, and now you're working here, if you're in petition party, no. Professor Buzia, I know, can I say, Africa, to be a very successful politician, no. Also, when you have a phone case, and now James in Papa Niboni. Say every now and then, maybe I can't even know their toes. And I'm saying, because a national tragedy. Now I befall this country. I'm a ministers of state, actually, so therefore, service military officers. Woman, so mine, I can share. Out of who say, Nama baby, na party assembled and Yapokanam so. Ministers of Moguno, only ministers of state. Which state near Kanwasem? The state of Ghana, the Republic of Ghana. It did not make us say, any NDC for, almost NDC a person who obey a swap for the. And yet, NDC for Nanya, or my money Nanya. Me shall say, I'm saying, sorry. Me mom pay ma wo mo say nyame for currency.
Yeah.
And make and just chill o bush for you. If you want to be a kofa sorry, something kind. What done no say, me say. I
think that's a story in the crime hui. And I was
Joy FM for a letterhead. So the joy for the friend, maybe what I mean. Joy for the friend say, Omonko for be a interview me, and I'm so far dear. And I'm so saying, I'm so ready. We call a party meeting, report be anyhow. And she. But after that, no joy from phobia may be summer. Then was also, no more 10 minutes. No one can summon you. No more 10 minutes. And the 10 minutes enough from Sunday, I didn't bread me. And I'm so much human who say, letterhead now, and if I couldn't issue, logo, no, a fake logo. I'm a joy for the cry, a disclaimer, a news report. Say, a seminar will be the better than yellow crack. An interview, and I mean, cancer. What you say? And so, be a unfair doctor, but me and send payments abuse. I said, no, not all I'm so no share. We take our own story. The register was saying,
yeah, because honorable Richard also as a brother yet, but we want to thank you, sir, for your time. But I also listened to Dr. Bryan Acheampong now. As I somehow know, Kano was saying now, Mwajina no isi boni because the Okara any day. Then ya dia a boni bia womb. Because just ango on what's yana.
Mentee or no chimu ikusi na miano a small kind recording no metie no we are not angels and sometimes we get any maybe wrong and he say we this say one more microphone any occasionally some kind of be wrong and just
oh yeah
and the BBC na ebi amanfo yi mote na hu say no ade ankoyi na unchafo. This is not what I meant. It is a saying aba mo fancheni na move on.
So you expect say what they a chopa eba beto abonting based on the somewhere eda abonting.
Yes, na say ebi a wo can say wo justify say ya chono na esi boni when asem say no waka no dia now the men nya adwen papa.
But you expect an apology. You expect an apology from him.
Say I will leave that to him. Say you obiaka be name pay no. You can't force the person to apologize. Or maybe be reflective. What ebia atan for you no. I can say okay. We see no. Let's move on. Let's forget.
And you also expect the National Executive Committee and for that matter the Council of Elders to take an action on this particular issue.
I'm saying say if some say on their own almost but from the Omia camp no dey in share in take a decision and I make say omo camp no so me aduma e channel what they do.
So what if they don't act? The National Council of Elders don't act. The National Executives don't act. Do you see, say, the waters even after we obedi amanyokurum for the 2028 elections?
Let me can't say be. Let me can't some of us buya kai. And I make ofa me kwama se man me can say.
Yeah.
Asema won kai tani aka share no. What you say? Sometimes you listen to it, no join.
Okay.
What you say? Until oloba any be who join see.
Okay.
I don't want to prejudice any discussion.
Oh, basa se me beto dwa oni na di nkomo ana oni ni nya di nkomo. Oh, okay.
Honestly.
Okay.
I wasn't happy with what I heard. As I'm saying, I'm leaving it to Bryan, who I believe is capable of analyzing and reanalyzing the situation. If he thinks that it's open to the party, and maybe it should go and resolve assembly. If on the other hand, we'll review not say what I've said, we'll leave it to him. But still American, as far as we are concerned, in Asia, which is going to be tomorrow, then we'll see what to do.
And you actually a Brabana Mobishia.
Oh, I can say, oh no,
okay.
We do. We'll have a discussion.
Okay, so after that,
I'm saying it's either do we petition or do we just leave it? Because there's been sufficient conversation, and various stations.
Yeah.
The general, you say, people are not happy with the statement now. I think most people then you're happy with it, but it's left to the individual. Then you can say or no or say. Bryan say I'm not for natural no a sibone maybe I'm just no but what are the plain words that he used? Plain words no appear to suggest something different.
Okay, and you know wait there Mayanda was say, but if you were Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, what action would you have taken with regards to this particular statement emanating from Dr. Bryan Acheampong?
Yeah, I'm not Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
That is why I'm saying that if you were, it's an if condition.
I don't want to make any statement say because community statement to be a bit prejudice what decision that he may want to take. And I say the group that we may want to take. I don't want to sound personal.
All right.
Okay,
views much respected. Honorable Osei Chairman Tabunso, we want to say we are grateful.
Auntie Abusian, Assembly Bryan Acheampong Kayano. Well, Pupum for more party no more pro because MPP Amanyo Kono was not made out of this. Amanyo Kono friend MPP no. Omo principles, any omo ideology, omo de nam as a party no. Enye any words as sikasem na me wo sika na me finance ye, and a way ye man prusi way ye dakate. That is not so. And the Bryan Kennedy, you know, they are gradually destroying the party. And this how you delegate. Now per party, ebe jana na so. Never ye inclusive. Na ebeka nipa bom. Never ma party na ye party a. Onye ufriha, mifriha. Uye say, uwe sika, uni sika bra. Enwane Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Papa no wawene wiyo. Na de yesre mo ne se. Monto abane man kese pa. Na enkrofo na omo na mo nkyenya omo make this commentary a shenanigans, ignorance comment no. Omo hu say the MPP have a different point of view, even though they have financed the party before. Because Papa Oyoka say, former, what them call, majority leader in parliament for the MPP, or Yeni Paketwa, ne concern about the party, no, a heavyweight. And the Papa Oyaboto, and I'm the Bryan Acheampong aka, and metra mekan kyerɛ me say, sebe debe, mafo, washada, na wo ye ni se dabi. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ party no di awerɛhoɔ. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ party no abu nkotodwe. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ party no ɛnɛ yɛayɛ ho yɛabɛyɛ asɛnse deɛ mɔlefoɔ party NDC foɔ ɛde anim atwitwi fam sere yɛn. Mole NDC ɔmo yɛ mole. Ntorotoro asɛmfoɔ, enkurasefoɔ, Omo the MPP anim ye form adentia enkrofo mienu bi asori wo party no ma omo so omo wo sika enti omo kasa tia obibia from the former vice president or the immediate past presidential candidate of the party to the last person of our party no adentia unisika who ye hiani kawano tum ahia asikafo ye kasa who hiani kura wo ye de ne kasa. Yen twaba ma ufri man prusi. These are not the actors of the party, and these are not the way MPP party no yedi jina so ye den a build ye. And Bryan, where your response from Kwabena Agyapong and Yewura Ochei Mensa Bonsu. Osisi onyansa ye gurumu wache Yama America no mache a druso berry don't pay. Now I conduct to home as a man, not as a boy, because you aren't a boy anymore. Because what? You are not a boy anymore. Into kasa, ma kasa munye de. Kasa te se obi ofre nyansafo party. Kasa te se obi owonim de. Kasa te se obi a na se eye enimdeefo ase ede na betu mo wanya party na ni madi me maame akua afro mo akwa papa maame comfort say you are a businessman, focus. You are a businessman, focus on your business but not the presidency. No what can you pa? I say please Bryan, yeah, my can't wait abusa yenko yanim na yento aso enche bia ena akatafo meka akatafo Kennedy Agyapong wane ne nkrofo so no omunyina ya omote America ne bebre na no Kennedy Agyapong supporters bebre America for no Ghanaians omote America no bebre na no Kennedy Agyapong supporters enti because akatafo I refer to Kennedy Agyapong the supporters na omo America no na no enche bia no mo de betu mu se Napo ye Kennedy Agyapong camp ni ene ya mframa mfaso obi bi say Mr. Mafo na ye de na video no ntentem say bra ye adwuma o ye ni abre o platform we mo am ye mail de no why ai na edre mo am na mo mail de platform we na entimi nyina na nan so like video no am na enko ye ni and the MPP for Kennedy Agyapong supporters ba bontro mo say na posio ye Kennedy Agyapong ni ene na posi dabi munya de mo ye no no onye greedy, onye dishonest person, enipa wahye na nimonyam ama na kwanya samra meye vice president de ontumi fa na ntwi fom enti ono no to ho no oye baomi anipa. He's working for the presidency of Dr. Alhaji Mahawand Bawumia. Enti se Kennedy Agyapong nipa bia be kancho said Napo Kennedy nipa sene who se Kennedy Agyapong camp for Adam Samba Bontain, ever catch your Napo, Kennedy Nipa, Senehu, and Yanokro Babia. Yenti and Sama Napo at the Twabontain.
I think Enra na MPP for aso won ho ahwe se ombetimi etu franka ama party a omotimi etu anamon akọ nomination forms na omoye enum engineer Kwabena Agyapong, Dr. Bryan Acheampong, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Dr. Yawosei Educhum, and Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Dependumi and na afa nomination forms. Ya say within this week, no, bebre na beko akwako file. Earlier, you're on record to have stated, say was a throw support behind Obia, Ebeye, a former boss in 2024 elections, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Yeah, Kasai, do you still stand by our position now? Take you,
100%. Bunya India, say party nipa kakaka, nipa bibli na pompa say the tabamudo very from yeah. Na oshi munjina na you say na asma di nipa pini say kuku damo party mo what's that Dr. Bawumia say change where for the kuda you have a catch up I show you go find the office a big baby and so why see na the die or so you say on the million corner we never bunya for we never bunya for omo bujire nyina delicate na say but that for delicate say background clinic
Japan.
Yes. You paying but not for the delicate say which that's where you can fee so only because I can say the time of the mean free up net in free watch so you make one na empty before out tomorrow on one side go down on tree na do challenge be
on farmer no ba wo
Emboni yo ane da hono we de o chami onim kasa o sina na wante chami onim kasa o sina na wante na posi ono no onye bonua yi ni ti se nkrofo bi nom enti de ojina no e wa na ojina ba omi camp na it is made up of men with integrity omo di Bryan Acheampong omo di Kwabena Agyapong achi ebinom last year no omo di afram tochi dollar man me mo akwa papa no omo di afram tochi omo ni gina bre omo te se no ma ba bia afram abeko eho no omo ko ene no omo atu nam ha oche no omo atu nam ha omo ni gina bre enipo omo di Dr. Bawumia achi no they are men of integrity. They are all the big men in the party. Entina podie oye Dr. Bawumia nipa ene ochina ene daache emo bi enko gina baabi enko kansem bi a sabio eni soro ene fom Dr. Bawumia ono a ena ye pe Dr. Mahamudu Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, the digital man, ono ane ye pe. Papa na enam ne so enemi tumetena ha. Esendi sika de koma me maame wo fie. No receive no in her comfort on her bed no. Ono na me pe. Papa na enam so udi bone wo ewo drobo na udwane ko Accra police for stop wa through identity card. Ghana card etumi di hu se wo na udi bone no ene na mepe papa na enam ne so ene obi di mobile money ewia wusika na uko report case na enam Ghana card so nti etumi tiresi ekohu ni pakroji wusika ma no ono na mepe papa na oba ya ene obi bisa se wote he ma me address na me mra wufia me nkase dua kase bi a isi ho maame bi otondo kono akwada bi ana maame tonton jene ne ofane dan kakaduro ewa edua bi so no ne nchen ho benkum ho na mete no a ene me man address ebo address number kire na otumi nante ba me fie papa no saa na mepe papa na nam ne so ene o light bay otu damu na wato light bay what we are light bay you don't need to wait for somebody to bring paper and that is what we want saa na ede chichiro mind saa na ede ma o mind esesa ekọ na nim enye kwa hwiado nkofo we ye omote ho a omuhu de omuwomi enye kwa hwiado nkofo we ye omote omuhu de omuwomi doctor ena mepeno dollar man say imagine fighting Mahama's corruption government and at the same time dealing with Kennedy Agyapong's madness. Hey, Bawumia has a lot of work to do. God give him the strength. Hey, social media for I watched the entire interview of Napo. I watched the entire interview. Napo spoke very well. Yeah. Mami, I must say exactly dollar man. Mami, Afro. You're welcome back. Abusan for wait a minute to me, I share my area. Mami Vivian Kuma said the 7,000 workers. Abusan like a video na share na comment na yenko yanim. Enra mami kasam fase mwe hona me course on tum. Enra me catch them say Ghana Police Services said they have arrested 10 suspects and they recovered 9 guns in a security sweep ahead of September 2nd. I told you, say, we a certain, and this is certain Nabia. And this in Kwabena ni bisore ya. Tiasama oka. Tie. Ude tiasama Kwabena we yaka. Tie.
Nah, I'm grateful. But let me tell you, we've already told supporters of MPP and their leadership that look, they should have confidence in the police. When we met the IGP, we expressed confidence in the police for making sure that they will protect everybody and protect life and property so that we can have peaceful election. But our colleagues said they wanted to protect themselves. So they started that episode. You see, the people they've arrested, they are MPP people. They are the people, they don't want to let the general public, but I'm telling you, because they want to test the ground. And they warn that anybody who comes in there with any offensive weapon, the person will not get away with it. And then we have to thank the police for the arrest, just to let others know that they cannot get away. For the honor, I'm grateful. But let me tell you, we've already told supporters of MPP and their leadership that look, they should have confidence in the police. When we met the IGP, we expressed confidence in the police for making sure that they will protect everybody and protect life and property so that we can have peaceful election. But our colleagues said they wanted to protect themselves. So they started that episode. You see, the people they've arrested, they are MPP people. They are the people, they don't want to let the general public, but I'm telling you, because they want to test the ground. And they warn that anybody who comes in there with any offensive weapon, the person will not get away with it. And then we have to thank the police for the arrest, just to let others know that they cannot get away.
And the asema me catch the when I say sa post way a certain. Now there is no sense in it. No. One will say ne hey yeah the QNet government. One will say no mobile bonten say a young people for the to call Akwatia. Akwatia mining community Jimmy computer tanko Jimmy ni. Jimmy ni tanko Kwabena ni papa only certificate ya yama government position a wote ho wa unkwasa asema oka Akwatia your mining community the miners no they are armed fully and so kwachi nipa bi omukita tu a na ene nkyere se eye MPP for na aheda akosese ntuo ede ba ho. This is what these guys are good in. Propaganda nentro. apanya ote akonnwa me propaganda sin opposition party abusianfo ma bie phone last na to mutumi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen ɛwɔ Ras Media GH so minua Ankama Kofi me wakɔ abapa ene dia I think say you came late or you were watching at the back door me wakɔ aba minua menim sɛ apomu yɛ pa abusianfo ma bie phone last no dam utumi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen pa me ma me Vivian Kuma sɛ what a stupid statement. That is how did you know? Abusianfo ma bie phone last no da mutimi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen na yɛkɔ yanim. Yeah. Yes. Enti yɛnsante video no biem. Computer tango. Akwa na oni certificate no. Ono na yes foreign statement no. Oni certificate o. Enso ya mana ban adwuma a oyɛ. Yɛmfa ma me ama. Hello.
Hello.
Akwaba.
Yo mejo so papa mi chia obiara.
Obiara so jo.
Se yadayan brother Kwabena Agyapong ase.
Yeah.
Na meje dida obiara na adwen da ho no obon da asem orekan oye no kwar. Nti nkwa woda da mesusu di na wode to before abekwa akayi form na da me na go true.
Yes.
Na nche wode form no wode amam. Oye sanya wa delegate na wo kwoto aba no wala wa adwen be egbe no wala wonyim onipa wo beyi. Nti eyi na lampo ncho nya kasa bebre.
Abi.
Na mo wo man da rekwa abato egu atofie ka da ba ya ama ebusuan.
Exactly.
Na se ye tu yenyi je wo ho a ye da mo. Onya ayeyaw.
Abi.
Onya ayeyaw na enyim gwase mo ala da ma da mugu a mugu yi na ye yo hoho obeyin no te da mo te da. Na da ko bi san wasam bra 2013 ogina ho na orekasa no was obi sa Addison no other asam no court. Addison your lawyer. Nti samuka de lawyer Addison no okasa yi man oye ya nya doctor and then mo ehu da san na nya ba umia no okagina 2013 no okasa amamu na oye Addison. Ba umia no aya je ko obete bilamte. Eno oye party chairman na other asam no kwai.
Yeah.
No other asam no kwai no the party nyi kru ko no okagina. Don't know other asam na akọ. Nti wodi ko wie no wada wo lawyer. Ansa na waka franya Addison no the MPP asam no court. No obafa ba omi adon kakasa man. Nti se waka there. The Addison no okasai. Nti nya doctor on one wala so we twa ato. Nya no kware na warekan. Wenyu wadu chi won jam ware yen. Na wo nyina de kro na wo pere won kono won kapere o we benya ni nya na se keka da mi nsem wie. Na wo keka wie no du campaign time na wo je gina nchen no.
Yeah.
Bryan Acheampong. Also Eastern region na nkote na.
Osponzai.
Also eba nhihye.
Yeah.
Na onye doctor kan.
Yeah.
O Sunday onu na ode enyim. Bryan nhihye na nhihye. Ana wara na ebu ewa no ka doctor hadi malam wa hanti morobua wunti mobua executive sa wo region ho. Ana de nara na ode ne pe na oye nyobiara soma. Sa nyobiara na osoma umpo na de opia ya. Iya ma party enyemi bribi.
Yeah.
Onye di abu anu da nsem ya rekika nyina onu so kakra ka orebo ne nda. Na da acho onu so ntam onye na 10 cents of osemesin no so wa draw bi wa da akire.
Yeah.
Nkwa wanyim bebre, nkwa bebre wo wanyim abotum edi. Enti sa abu na sibeye bi asem biara enyi ho. Wanu na ekatum na America kenye. Owode anu hu na academy makan no. Sabia bia na oye bibi dam na makan. Idan na Morris sample was what your pressure. One man the pressure. The pressure na Morris sample was one jam. No your pressure and chalka them in ponchen no do. The master me and Mikabian man can you more fine chum. Na still good na one will be but not when you that when you the ho.
Yeah.
Says why and the papa chair mensa. National some can you shabby. It's all we are now dying. Then na mon kama mo be ya mo party mo what delegate na mo kwama akasa mo kada ya be dam ya dam mo man nti mo to man na mo ma ye yaw na akoshi na mo de ya mo campaign message da onu wala nkasa wa abo wonda na wala na wo bokwa akotom Nama osa da was a man was a man. O Sunday minji did a got to fear. O biara ona baby ara no obokwa for what so be owing.
Yes.
No what summa. No bottom words or my name. My yakuyen. Yet to crow you me. Nay and to me and send yes carry send this car. Did they quite trap pine a costo aqua aquadam. In the Yamia Messian Premier me yabro one because 70 years. Messiana me from the phone. I'm sending this cock to my count to more Ghana.
Dalet.
Or quatum. Musha nam was kebi abroad and I send the biacoto. I'm almost watching me coffee and me bian make it. It's so bra. No, you want now what they're trying to tell, especially a young driver or that's so much of bank. I think I can get any pen home. Was that the to me for me don't phone call while Bryan baby aroko. Or don't you connote on Ocean Yana. So, in the baby, we're gonna assassin. Especially when I meet one way I'm putting a yaba going to. Mia who then Zama Papa na now would you go a queen nor more mana queen? Yes, supported door man on San Quenechi. That's all man is San Quenechi, you want to be a krum ha. Yaboko young painful Yaboko Yamba or become poor church dachi if you're near Boko. If you are no more young, I am for the Fanya party. No, but what's saying will be lady, my money in Alamwell so. Namaya Mama. Engineer Bialo send off at a mom we paid my woman, what the contract and I'm my year. No, Bob was who are woman Yamana could send them worry on saying you cry. There are two someone could say on walker, one cup of poor woman, one no woman, no worker. Into one shen ye, young I am fakro young from one fine yet, no we are winning our swabum, no the Akaji tomb naba, more man gun and I couldn't send them bribiala, what by them while I'm people for bay. No, I see a coffin crofiaba, was some bibiala wakucha, or no my yaman Ghana. Ne papa yerishishan, omba, papa man ha tomadasi.
But that was a pama yama, Yamenka.
On council.
Tea, as some of my American are very, very, very simple. I fear Kuriana Babeda will be a PBD. Can you bet to me? And yet, Diana, Musikana, Mena, Metoye. Mammy Salome, Memoka Yepa.
Hello, Ras.
Mammy,
I to say,
I share you no swear.
I don't know. Mamma, so met it. I met you, you know, but me person me can be kakra efa Bryan Acheampong wasade aba ene no.
Okay.
Say ono na wo ma o sponsor doctor.
Yeah. I was still
campaign.
Yeah.
Eno momo e ma me hu say MPP for ye wo ade papa in case say ye so doctor ni.
Okay.
And it's saying because of enema people ba doctor de ba yi. Initiative people be ya wo de ba yi. E bia ni wa wo de ni hu shame. Say ade ya me dia ba die. And ya me de ma contract into me percentage say. Yenya vice president bi a ye soma no say ye onkonkoto aeroplane emra. Okoye na hoba no. Aeroplane na ne door crab board say the whole aeroplane no okotoye. Emma ne boss ST committee edema sa vice president no. But me vice president ya doctor ya me donu. Ye hu say eniema bebrebe a wode ba ye nyina no ebie ne wa no a contract no kra no no kra woni mu eno an say wode ideas no aye den aba no wo mo bie office ekwan a mo befa so a wo mo be ye contract ni procurement ni ade nyina emfa na ho enti eno na kire say papa no wonye enibrefo because no owo solution blind enka papa no wo kwan say enka wobetimi enya contract bebre enya sika e de agudem sanko de baba abeye primaries because now onim say obekwa akwa akopere eno sa ma mi hu say yet wona Kennedy kan say the whole government no nyina etanachi meboa
yeah
wose aban ni nyina etanachi yenim CEO say MMDC yifo a womunye sikanya contractor womu ka se womu kra di sika na womu anya no womu fa nkonko ye campaign womu do womu sika ekofia kwa akudi
Yeah, akohwe omo
enti
mana
me
mo yire no.
bona na do abaso se na na do nso so nye corrupt because wonye wo mampani bone because ye nyina yete se na na do ta na chi enso na na do amfa Ghana sika amfa nta bagu mi echi
Yeah.
ti eye party ni mu businessmen ena mo sponsor no eti eno kyerɛ sɛ papa no oye genuine onye nibirifo eti kyerɛ sɛ MPP fo ene Ghana fo yenya ade papa a ɛsɛ sɛ so ni mu yie a wɔyɛ rich of full of ideas but eni na dwene mu onye nibirifo sɛ ɔbɛfa Ghana sika na kyerɛ sɛ obetumi a protect Ghana ye public person ayɛ dɛn nti wɔyɛ onipa a ɔno na yesu Ghana asu free sɛ Ghana bae Bawumia ne nipa a Ghana asu afrɛ no afei ne yɛnya Ghana no aduru because Ghana enye yie nyinaa menu mienu nim sɛ ɛyɛ saa nneɛma no corruption leaders sɛ sika de bɛtotɔ dan wɔ aburokyiri hwɛ n'ano yi a enti Sami Gyamfi atimi aba n'ano yi atimi anya dollars egu ne kaa mu ɛyɛ dɛn ɛɛkyɛ bi na kyerɛ sɛ Bawumia ne papa Nana-Addo ɔmo protect Ghana public purse no ɛma sika ne bi ɛgya sika gu hɔ ama n'ano yi a Sami Gyamfi baeɛ ɔbɛnya bi de yɛ dɛn ɛde kyekyɛ because any flag bearer biara any ayi baabi a even aburokyire ha nyinaa no ɛyɛ sponsor Trump koraa na no so owo sika wo enwuma no ɛyɛ sponsor na nkrofo sponsor no
yes of course
it is Bawumia fanisa mo Ghana sika mu na sɛ wo sikani ni na wo sponsor na kyerɛ sɛ Bawumia ɛyɛ papa
yeah
ɛnua meka asɛm bi sɛ ɔnka na no ntum because the more na wayɛ na ho sɛ ɔ explain ne serve no the more na no wɔyɛ dɛ ɔ expose no ho ɛna Napo nso so menim sɛ ne nana baabi a wofiri no yɛatete no hwɛ Napo wonim nyansa no wonim amanyɔ sɛmpa na Ghanafoɔ ho yɛyɛ nnipa bi a yɛsɛe nnipa sɛ yɛhuu sɛ nsoma da wɔ bi so a especially MPP foɔ ne yɛtu yɛ ne asi nnipa korɔ so ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdum na nnipa no agya ebi ne yɛde yɛɛ Napo no because Napo asɛm a no wɔka about Kwame Nkrumah no it's obvious ɛyɛ nokorɛ ɛnso so hwɛ yɛne MPP foɔ yɛatumi de yɛto si abantie yi ho koraa sɛ ɔmɛpa kyɛw wakasa atia Kwame Nkrumah in any case wo MPP wa ideology ne Kwame Nkrumah ideology ɛkora ɛnyɛ ba
absolutely
nti the opponent wakasa atia na deɛ nti na ɛsɛ yɛne ayɛtumi tu yɛagugu so sɛ exactly
a fight no
so na miminim sɛ baabi a ofiri ne sɛ deɛ yɛsi atete no onim sɛ oboni ayɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ ɛnyɛ ade papa
absolutely
sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔ soro a boni ayɛ Yesu kura nso ɔpaase da na miminim sɛ ɔyɛ royal me Kennedy no wayɛ desperate ɔne n'akyidifo no ɔmayɛ desperate wɔn nim sɛ Napo yɛ royal to doctor a wɔyɛ adwuma paa na Kennedy no wayɛ desperate na yɛn nyinaa yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ 31st January no ɛbɛba ɛhɔ na ɔne ne Bryan Acheampong ne nyinaa no wɔn bɛhu wɔn sum left level ɛne wɔn asi kasɛm na wɔn akasɛsɛm na wɔn apɛnya wɔn ho na afei wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn gu party no ɛno nti mɛde ma no esi wɔ ha sei na obi nso aba abɛka bi.
meta ase paa maa mi sɔrɔ mɛ na mɛ nka ho bye bye yɛ maa mi sɔrɔ mɛ ɛna yɛ tɛ ne nka no wakyekyere ne nsɛm mu yie paa. Sɛ nyɛ nipa nyina na ɔmo yɛ greedy yɛwo firi ahemfi a onyansa ne onim deɛ no kɔ n'anim kopɔn ekyirɛ nipa ɔyɛ greedy nti obi ɛhyɛ wɔ animonyam a wɔn nso hyɛ n'animonyam ɛnyɛ pressure kene Japan de bɛma Napo ɛna bɛma Napo asesa n'adwene sɛ ɔkɔ Kennedy Japan camp onim deɛ Bawumia ayɛ ɛde ama no yɛfa yɛ maame Esther kɔ hello maame.
Me nua be to say.
Pacho ye po mi aba. O ho te say. O ho ye de.
Nyame adum o nkoto dwere na aka no.
Oh. Oh, where dey die.
Yo mechia watiefo no wahwefo. Ba wo mia wodo. Hwe mayo mbekasa yi.
Wahu.
Ba mia.
Oda mem.
Excellency Dr. Mahmood Bamia, who wodomo, Shema Kona Kono bi.
Yeah.
Mr. Mafu, ya wajoyo.
Ya de oye pa.
Na mia me nima de kura, ewo ya busuakuo ya ye frɛ MPP mu. Sɛ obi na asoma wo mu nti no mo ye saa nneɛma yo. Sɛ die be na esio Mr. Mafu, I don't seem understand. So what you say? Na kebani say wo policy a. For wo policy no ebra. Wo policy a wo kuta wo pese wo ton edema MPP. Ana wo de ton de ma Ghana fo nyina no. Fabra. Na ba wo mea eye mamprusi ni. Ba wo mea ye say Mr. Mafo. Mamprusi fon say wo kɔ ye ma ye statistical mu a. Mamprusi fon no mu no so.
Kakrabi.
Eti se ye ka mamprusi fon kwan ntumi nwini abamfa nyeden.
Emma party.
Emma ye.
Yeah.
Mamprusi fon no even Eastern region wana Bryan eye panyini wo ho no. Sa area ho no. Wucha mu ayu na emu kwata pe na em se be ye se mamprusi fon. So what you say?
Yeah.
Because baby Bryan wo no ehwo ye kese be miensa anfa no Omadu mamprusi for no.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay.
Eti eno wasa wo Bryan wo ka ho asem. Eni kwa se da bia mo sorry a ena mamprusi for ena okaso obewi ni abane de amayen ena wantumi anwini obeji nzongo nyina e de amayen. Eti kasa obi kan bi dane de ba wo me se yampo me de mantini ba bia o. Manti saba umia kujina baby di campaign. Wamu so or the campaign.
O se
it is what the campaigner. And yet muna mwako fa asamono wofa asana befi to obehame no.
Wow.
Asamono na mwana muko fa buy se or the campaign. So the campaigner na mo ka bra. Enye wonwa because more propaganda and this is what the two from and tra akesia and this na krampo no omu wiase omu mami ochim omu wo omu omu koka kra no beyedru and this is what the poto abonten ana de bra me ka woni me nya adene
aye no kure pa na yente ha o mi awi pra ko ne hwan
but enam say and this nim propaganda yanamumu MPP for munimu yeno it's hardly for because eniema na nado ye bebrebe nya mom to me amahu dawro mom to me ankasa eniema na oye ni na mom to me amahu dawro just because of the hatred na mo wo ma Dr. Mahmood Bamia na nado nankasa because simply because when ye papa kan ofoliata edi
I'm free ho
it's no more campaign etiano so what you say enti me question me bisane say is it only Bawumia cause for the MPP loss ama
absolutely no
me question me bisa Bryan any Kennedy Agyapong say is it only bisa shawa kumam tie wone sanya Bawumia kwa and cause so for MPP loss in 2024 and a motive to sa papa where you will live to regret it. Uko dance so say even though kran we your least mistake I catch you be someone to aban fama Bawumia. God will judge you.
Yeah.
God will judge you. Obiana wa ye MPP ni aba eba awo ye osunu kokoko ba no. Se wuto abatia Dr. Mahmood Bamia na wuka semboni bi ne Mama sama cham ho adane mu hu dua broni. E sa ba ka say just because we bampusin na oye sremuni what to say one fa vote one but yam pamona. The question is say vote no e na Mariana. Ye obeba be dane wo man no ama ye nya mfaso. Oye vice president no odane wo man ma ye nya mfaso.
Yes.
Eti wo de ye president obetumi adane niemani. So what you say? We are mama, we are papa, we are grassroots, what to say, Jane, and say a summer diaspora for a man penny for your business for dear or mocha, a de be a mammy for you or more but if you dear be so because I Ghana for, young tia your tiabro children. Yes, you're moving, we had enough, we want to come home. But that doesn't mean say you bedin throw their children. And now you begin throw their children say, Munko to Abama farmer Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, just simply because of and yet just yenim sa onu ne betumi asesa mabrabo, yenim sa onu ne betumi atre say obedi impuntu obeye ebeba wo man ama monya so mfaso wo ya branti adwene wo bada ache ho besamafo wo mo ye mrantie ene mmaba omonye omo mada ache ho
yeah.
Canada Japan ni Bryan omo ma beje contract from ye papa ko form wo ebesi na na adu so
Yes.
omo didi ami say peche because when did me ya so on the sponsor about me
Aye.
so when I sponsor about me one ya contract
Unyabi pa.
unyabi it was start so we ya can say MPP this year e wa ban mu na wa ban ne ba so na wunya contractor so contract ye de ma wa yesef mu fa nko fom na nkola no so mo mu nya bi ni enso mo de mo dia na mo de agu mo botom ana meboa
Mo nko mo de omo ne omo busua
eti obia mekoshen mo na de na dru Dr. Mahmoud Ba umia de a wo de agu no botom mu fam labonte meka me yentie
Hey, na ma me wodru ensese nka contract bi mo wa yi Dr. Baumia dini mu anka mo mfa ma abonten.
Awurade mesi ko mo de na hye granny machine ma ya mo na atwa petin Ghana nyina because the way enieme ekọ no he mesi bra but onyame be kasa
Amen.
onyame ebe kasa ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia because me wiase abra me ba ye me who so much hatred any acid tongue where akwa onse usho Baumia life no mu a akwaya to say Joseph no odani nua na o maka nto unu sa
Yeah.
shaneka she juma omudidi papa no wakoye say Joseph na ne papa ye den no odo no ni nua no mo ye den eyi ni maaye ba yi a omuyi ni maaye ni nyina no so no onyankopon ye den e hye ne ho animunyam
Yes.
and Mr. Ghana for nyina so we your bad time na wo sorry na wo kotena sorry dem ekosire nyame boniface wo dresse ekosi baabi ekasa awurade mesrew mame bayin diye na daachi watumi abehweme a ka hu se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so oba ene bema ene kabo mu no mo ye den omo it ansana wo beba bonten na wo beba be kire na se na wo de na se abegu nanim ase ka hu se onu susu ye nipa eyo nyame ne bo no se de obo wo de na ankasa language is nothing kasa enye bibia adwene na da ne trim nimdi a wo ne trim no paso de beboa ne ma no eno na wo ye Ghana ni a e wo so wo support no na wo de sa nimdi no ye den eba ebeboa ema ye ma ne ye den etumpon me question me pese me busa Ghana for no say eti me pese me busa mo se nkanyankopon And Jesus Christ of Nazareth, or your man Prusinia, and Kawun in some Shirana. Ah, Miss Amafu, Busami Kumu Gana for Nina, say, Senyankupon boss so near Sassy, and now Jesus Christ or didn't move Java to what G and Quama. Sir, or your man Prusinia, and Kawun Kwani Hawk, and for Bompire can say, on for born in Chawana. And Nasa Kawun Nana say, or didn't cry as a sound bonny, Mrana Wukobokrono, and Mrana Wukumunipa, and Mrana Bonny. I say what to the woman, Kawun Quantum, and Quasrabon Fatana. Onipe Biano, and some of the cancer much near that than you know. Chenemufu, Jenny, MPP for penny for. You guys have disappointed we, the grassroots. More disappointing you. More disappointing yen chiriman so because near free some of them we are then. We are different.
Yeah.
Money accent tongue every hour so. But a true Dr. Mahmoud Baumiasono. Mashanania. Mashanania. Mamma up for a year. Allen and you be a pamu no.
Rabi.
Allen Obiam Pamu Allen. Not a dream to a dream so no. Not I have too much. So what I say?
Yeah.
A dream to a dream so no. So between change no kasa Allen will be Pamuna. Allen na the koye.
Yeah.
Fear will be a deny. And now say, Nanko percent for young Allen. Young far for young MPP for this year. Hey. Obian Pebebiton, Obian me contest Allen. Nitunia Diaden, Esia Kunyanis only. It doesn't work like that.
Absolutely no.
And I move to me also say, and people mono, a dead piano, or more pedia, or what strong a year, over to me dear beating openness. So what I say?
Yeah.
Allen didn't have that kind of a
Spirit, yeah. Yeah.
Spirit, because Tamana know you kind of saying. You better no position better no put on another
trade and trade and industry minister.
Na and number was to me the public ever born the room. It was weak.
Yeah.
So what I say, not a year weak. It's me question me person me busan say. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, I didn't know so one person by man a chance. Munina Mujina, Obianua, or Catchla Musay. Mufa Kunyana Yade, Emma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
A competition.
A competition and a Munina Moko. I didn't know moon to me and Tenase. Namunka say, okay, competition yeko, Yanko Bon Obia Dini. Dear me, wo Bryan say me show language in so no crampona. And yanka I Canada Agyapong, one move no chromo casa papa because one of the so say can wear Juma,
7,000 workers.
Well, 7,000 workers. And so I and you money be wo crampon now shoma can we jada da and you mano a gugu. And so still yes. Who can Numa Bebro a good a man from where I will close the sea. Nipper send a year, Jumao.
A man if an is it will be a nipa 100. No crime, come on him, Senano. My channel, I'm saying, and co powerful, come on him, Senano. My videos and views on my FM.
Yes. Me, I say to my show, man, FM, that one, not a drawback to me. And so me see Supra Brubai how many months in then a tour banny way na year to a banner was started by year in a dana me Jan is a subscribing the enemy free so. What you say? Enti ya pamuchow yen ya be ma Bryan. Na ye free say na ye ma me munya ka wo beba no obeka so o me nua no ma mo hwe me mo amwo atisin benche ne anafo. Na enya sana na me patch. But you came out and write it on your Facebook page with attitude tongue. And not so say wouldn't to me. Nipan and say yes, sister Baku Bekaye, sister Joyce, sister, yes, sister Bibeka Santana, maybe Kata. Oh, shut argument and not guy in the row, argue now, Mr. Mafo. Any ni katrema ni accent tongue towards the rona, Mr. Mafo, not arrow.
Wow. Arrogance.
Narrow. I a Bryan spokesperson. And a near Casa won't me radio. And no one name. What or yeah, Bakubi or CF of Kwabena district one. Womo and the ambushy devil and ra. Now we only pass be say, not that thing. Me dear Emma me cramia and I am the ya and your peba or me astamon. Almost sometimes you move in your kuta ash tongue.
Yeah.
But yen the do be at them, they're that fat in the air. Yeah. So what you say? But Sasanko fool when you know Tasa devious ash tona. Woman so dear no but would be a Casama Baum ye be a bar or the fat in the toe or maybe that
gentle.
So what you say? It's me so me I appeal. Say I wouldn't say MPP. Can you be a move? Kwabena Agyapong any Bryan omu bukuo no hwene ye nua be ma ayi we engineer Agyapong ekasai an ayi nyansan kwa no wo de work but enam say we anhwe kro mbekwa kotwa abono
well I'm second Agyapong kro for no mbekasa
I hope so. So no amu kasa any oni Bryan so nkrofo no nyeden enkasa because it's getting too much.
Yeah.
So some percent Mr. Ma for mu person mu ba power there. Obi endi ni lemu. Kan you obetumi abeye? Mu wie na mu wini a fine. Mu wini na ba wo me wini na mo baba be support na mo me support no. Saba wo me wini a that would be the down to Ghanaians who they would choose. And I strongly believe deep down my heart, say, Ghana for be to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Amen.
Than NDC. Because when you NDC by 8 months, almost the nurses teacher for any doctors, nurses in Famuna. They won't be so stupid and go back to NDC simply because of what? And Trona Mubaba shit at the actual Mubium Tromboka to Abama or man, I say, Sika Mudbema or Modinana. Because NDC, Etonipa would Sika, because Omunum say, Ghana for Madrimusha. But my question, my person, Busa Ghana, Nini say, how long are you going to receive a money from a politician without thinking of your future? Sika Ubedi to that kingdom commander. Mr. Mafo.
One week per nasa. No,
short period.
Yeah.
It is so big decisive can make sure say we cook promotino is more expensive than that stupid money and this need the iden. Abesha wins them. It's me the mo see her. Nama ko pensio bi edware akoda. Me di Nyankopon di srem Ghana for munya wise kakra. Na mundi di asofu na chi. Mamundi di politicians axis tongue politicians now or manu to say axis, you know. Mamundi wa mochi. Think for your great your generation to be born. And mano ya no dear ye nimo. But me jinahana me kasama me ba me kasama me nana.
Yeah.
Mon jene na mumu say ewiase. And now what? But so shy. It is so simple and lovely to live in. As far as say, we do who to Nyankopon so no we did no cry at the man Nyankopon na obie pono Emma wa bunkwana betumi awura sa pono no mu without anybody. Musum nyame ye na Ghana enye Christian country. Say a Christian country nka mudi ebuo be ma Nyankopɔn na mo ye the needful na mo ja kuhwesam mo ja ntro mo ja edikan mo ja hoya mo ja to wey MPP for me ka kyerɛ mo enye mo nko na mo ayi akanfo nko na to abama mo enye akanfo nko na ye pamochow monye reasonable kakra na mo mamoni na ho na mo nja Dr. Mahmood Bawumia atemu ne na udino no so oye sremuni so onye sremuni me de me da se odin puntu ayeden aba Ghana unsua ne politics ni kakra na sabeta fracha mo so mo wa adwene eda mutem adan na mo me di mo bi ya osa adan na school na mo kwai na so mfa so no sai wa me boba Bawumia di obi meto aba ma wana ena wo boba Bawumia di na wo se Bawumia na wo ba no wa me ye hwea na say wo ye de woni sika o oyo ohia ni ba nanso so owo adwene mesamafo medasi nyamisa
Meda wonso asenya minhira wonso. Bye bye my minister. Ema minister na ete nka. Busianfo em senya ma me firi se ma brek kakra. Am se ko bi wa akire a. Yeah. Memfa ko we na yemfa bibia na we. Hello. Aje te say.
Nyamiado. Oh, na ka so abere.
Oh, kasa say mama. Gabo
meda
5 to 10 minutes do betumi jago.
Meda asi me ke kabum kurenu. Ya friend say. Ensam ya eja Bawumia ne Bryan ne nsensam na ye Canada. Eja number 1. Me problem ne say kasabri senye kenye omuge ka political party be say NPP a. Enye ndisi yonko kura ne mo. Anka mo the issues to form. Kwese Joma Hama Bawansa aban bia ba wutimu se yana bulwell no yana ewo.
Yeah.
Na yana ohwa kwa echiri kakra na aban we said we si ba ye ne said we si start enema no. Say na enema asase e bibi owa wasn't composition for no. Mukasa kamuko jina we kura kamune delegate kura ko yi. Kamuka issue na kan top party for no ye dey asun. Na munhuru say abana ma akoto no hunsunso aso e ba ye ni so mo hono mo na monka eniema edi animu a ehu hwe enwumle me hwe exchange rate Bank of Ghana website almost 11 pound 11 you can say 1 cedi $1 to 11 cedi say
more than my men fan to so nchiro
where
my show no
ana me na ene na nsan bia twene bia na eba bitrim ne say once I Ghana to one ya na business we say business for edwan this party ya na nye bibia ntiro wo mo ba business for no once I Ghana no o mo like niema e credit free foreign country ba
yeah
in this war credit free when am say dollar or de credit free oba na say sense kan enye ye krum sika no na exchange rate ni timesesa no o mo ba no ma ba be sika say boom. Inti abai ba ye no a ewiase economy say ewiase economy crash ye no na sefo a ehun so aso ebi kan ye pa na janyame adom abai ba kakra Bawumia de gold purchase program ba ya na Bank of Ghana to gold ego emi and reserve no na sefo no economy ni ye change rate no etefa so na nyame ya adom na e ba fom kakra no many ananka eba from NPP from na 14 pound 14 cedis 75 pesos and a net year in ka buy no ka also says the can or buy no obey because nams will join a no one the position in India we feel say business for the donor and a buying a gold reserve or a build it here go on it here go on and foreign exchange ya one and a buying what Tam says the can break Ghana for say what they about the go Bank of Ghana, na Bank of Ghana for ne their member commercial banks no na dollar ba system ni mu. So, a bicycle bitimi di sika na ye bibi. And as is na buy no akwase says sika ni nyina no waba betu egu kwa. Therefore $4 billion. Na wopon kroma mota aka ho asem. ɛna sika no nyinaa no ahye ɛna sɛ bank of IMF foɔ no ka kyerɛ IMF aka kyerɛ Ghana sɛ Ghana aban sɛ saa adeɛ no wɔɔyɛ no wonya because ɔman no ɛbɔ ka na wonya ne sika no ɛmfiri ne sika no sɛdeɛ n'ahoɔden si teɛ no ɛno anyɛ n'adwuma na sɛ wokɔse sɛ $1 ne berekum na sɛ nkurɔfoɔ nyɛ mi na wɔmototɔ ɛsie wie a ebi ne hɔ ɛho bɛyɛ den na ne boa yɛ den afei ne boa yɛ den a na business foɔ ma kɔkra nneɛma wowɔ aban no kɔfɛ sika no ɛbɛtɛtɛ so ma wɔn mogye kɔkra wɔn nneɛma baeɛ no wɔn ba de gu ɔman no mu a na wɔn sa de bu ɔman ma no na ama inflation no mu ne n'asefoɔ na ama ahokyɛ de ɛɛba eti sɛ ade kɛseɛ paa ba bɛto a sɛ sika wɔ nyinaa aban ɛyɛ awesi sika no kwa so John Mahama aban ne atɔfoɔ so wɔn yɛ awesi sɛ sika no kwa so $4 billion ɛho amanfa so bi a ma Ghana na sika na hyɛ ase a ɛyɛ kɔkɔ so nkakra no because nti ka mo to no a mo kasa yɛtie mo nkurɔfoɔ na akɔto aba nti mo nya adeɛ bi a mo nkurɔfoɔ ne bɛgye so no mo hunu sɛ ade koro nti mo akɔto aba ne ho nsunsuanso John Mahama ba yɛ nneɛma a wɔyɛ ɛna wɔpɛ sɛ wɔsaa sesa because wɔnim sɛ mo no wɔkeka mo tiri abom wɔpɛ sɛ wɔsesa constitution no wɔsa akɔ bio ne nti no ɛna wɔyɛ nneɛma a ɛnyɛ wokasa a yɛsi aba abɛkyew na wɔn de yɛ saa de abɔ nkurɔfoɔ mu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ duro na yɛ sɛ judges akɔsesa constitution no sɛ John Mahama bɛtumi akɔ bio afei ne nkurɔfoɔ esuro mekase ɛba abɛkye mi o mekase ɛba abɛkye mi o mekase ɛba abɛkye mi o ɛna mo aka ma no atom na wɔn practice saa nneɛma wei nyinaa kɔ na wɔn de hu ewurawura nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ka mo ka mo ho bom na mo sɔle na mo kasa ti adeɛ ɛɛkɔ no because mo sɔle na mo kasa ti a ɔman ma ne tie mu ɛkyɛn sisi ɔmo wɔ abɛn mu nti nsɛm bi a mo bɛka biara no ɔman ma ne tie kyɛn sɛ ɔmo no bɛka ɔmo nsɛm ɛna mo nso no mo kɛka mo tiri bom na mo hwɛ ehu sɛ political party tumi ne yɛ pɛ wɔn na ebitumi ne n'akɔ akɔpɛ tumi ewu mu sɛ nnipa baakofoɔ na ebɛyi na ewu mu sɛ wɔn na adɔn ho betumi akɔ bi nanso kɔ a wɔkɔ no fa wɔn nyansa kwan so ehu sɛ kɔ a mekɔ nsɛm bɛ na mekɔ ka nsɛm bɛ na firi mu enum ba abɔnten ama yɛn political opponent no mo ba bi tie so the science nsɛm wɔ enum nyinaa no a ɛyɛ akaakaaka ɛmoa etu no mu nyae na ɔkɔ akɔka wɔn nsɛm ɛsɛ deɛ baawomia wɔ ahobra nsɛm baawomia to enu nua yɛn ka no kora ɔno akasa no wɔn tɛ ne ho nsɛm kora ne nkurɔfoɔ na ɛkɔma no
that is polite
nkurɔfoɔ na yes party foɔ na ɛkɔma no na ɛfight ma no ɛna ɔdo ayɛ cool ɛna mo no so a mo pɛ bi no nso mo kɔ gyina na mo keka nsɛm mo ka nsɛm mo aso na party foɔ de mo ayɛ aba na mo ba bɛkyerɛ mo sɛ nsɛm yɛ mo keka na yɛ moa ɛnom no n'asɛfoɔ nti nneɛma a ɛɛhye no wɔhyew bɔ ɛnom no n'asɛfoɔ ɛwɔ ɔman no mu a nneɛma a ihu kɔ so wɔ ɔman no mu ɔsɛ nka no ne ɛka ho asɛm ɛna egya na John Mahama take advantage no ohunahuna nkurɔfoɔ yɛma wɔn nkasa TikTok na nkɔkɔ obi wɔ social media TikTok ne Facebook yɛsɛ akɔkyew abere a wo John Mahama no di adeɛ no wɔtɔ no ka nsɛm akɛse akyɛn saa na nkurɔfoɔ apɛke ne yɛso yɛbɛyɛ bi yɛso yɛbɛyɛ bi afei deɛ wo se yɛdidi wɔ atam a nanso obi ka nsɛm tia wakɔ akɔkyɛ no ɛde a yɛate na tumi no yɛ de yɛ ano a ɛsesa 1024 sɛde yɛsi kyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ nyansa nkurɔfoɔ kɔ amanneɛ mu no monka mo ho mmom ne nyame bo a nnipa 2 million na nkɔto aba no yɛnyɛ biribi a yɛbɛtumi atwɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ no yɛnka asɛm da yɛnkyerɛkyerɛ ɔma nneɛma mu nneɛma bɔne aba no yɛ no yɛmpuhyi ɛwɔ ɔman no mu nneɛma nkurɔfoɔ nte aseɛ ɛhunu sɛ aba no ɔma nkɔ akɔtoɔ no ɛho nsunsuasoɔ na de tirimudɛ ɛde aban no baeɛ a woyɛ tirimudɛ de gu yɛ so nti 2028 ne duru a monkɔ na monkɔto aba 2 million no monkɔ na monkɔto aba easy sɛ NPP foɔ bɛtumi agye seat nti me nua ma obi ntoa so
medawase bebree East London MPP foɔ mpanyinfoɔ no bi na moteɛ ne nka no abusuamfoɔ sɛ berɛ kɔpaa meda mu nyinaa ase meda mu bɛsi a light no si me so a na ma m'ani no I don't know in any case mekyerɛkyerɛ abusuamfoɔ de abusuamfoɔ nyinaa akyi Facebook foɔ David Acheampong mekyerɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔsɛ berɛfoɔ Sana Razak mekyerɛ me maame na ɔleda nyaako mekyerɛ yɛ paa Alex nyaako mekyerɛ yɛde maya Daniel mekyerɛ Kwabena Agyapong George mekyerɛ yɛ paa Akstar James mekyerɛ yɛ paa Parke, I'm just the lawless country called Ghana. Mama, my sister. They know that Bawumia can help the country, but only they are helping the wicked and the greedy people for their selfish interest. Mama will say, where were them when Amma Beyiwa said the discovery by Kufuor was cooking oil? But after 2008 NDC won, she was asked about it and she said it was a political talk. Nimgwasia Kwaba. Mami Vivian Kuma Michelle Yipa, Mami Comfort Boxing, Michelle Yipa, Mami Sadome Michelle Pa. Evans and Kama Kofimi Michelle Pa, Mami Nana Akuya Afro Papa Michelle Yipa, Mimia Kofi Apia Michelle, Dollar Man Michelle. Wilson Asamane Michelle Yipa, Imame Norida Nyako Michelle Biem Sachi Ebenezer Michelle. Social media for man and social media for the youth Ghana Oman Michelle Yipa. And I am so waja. I am so waja. Imame Vivian Kwam Samacha. Wilson Kofi Brapa in Michelle Yipa. Yeah, me mama is like Kebarima Michelle so Yipa. Wilson Kofi Michelle. Me Kwasi Asamoah Michelle, Gary Houston Michelle Yipa, far above Michelle Yipa, me who watch it. Gap Media Michelle, Bryan Acheampong Michelle so Yipa, Thomas Farm Michelle so Yipa. Yeah, I think say Ahmed Motal Michelle so and Michael Hubert Michelle, Mami Rose Musa Michelle so Mike Van Ofori Michelle so Yipa, Mami Elizabeth Chan Michelle. Frank Kofi Michelle, New Kwasi Asamoah Michelle, Mami Esther Michelle, Osei Anthony Michelle, Wonsu Yepa. Abusiafo, medamu nyina ase, ene mobre. Yaye ni yepa, yaye juma ye nepa, eko yepa. Think say people were ready to contribute. Intimidate nkaibo, me de way ebe faso achia mu nyina na madamu ase, ene mobre. Na yemfiri ane nyina yenko Kakari TV, ewo YouTube, na yenko support no. Medamu nyina ase, nisese die tie be nyankopon pa ochina. Until we meet again, as always, adios.